Witena aria kere Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta niarutite mukana kuri mundu wothe ungikorwo na reciria ria guthie mugaru na gatiba ya bururi akiuga magutacukirio makinya marumu ma kiwatho.
Like agriculture, health, water and
mukana yo ni kurumirira kiria atongoria mung'ethaniro makoretwo makiendekithia icigo imwe cia bururi kwiyahura kuuma Kenya na kuumba bururi wao kiumbe. Undu uria president arutite murugamo wake umuthi.
We will and shall not entertain any language. We will and shall not entertain any action that either threatens the territorial integrity of our nation or that threatens life and property. Kwa hivyo, so long as those things are kando, mambo haya mengine yote tuongee, tujadiliane, mimi sina taabu. Lakini hiyo laini mkipita, basi sheria ndio sheria.
President aletio mwena wa Diani kaunti-ini ya Kwale hende ya kigomano kia magavana na anini ao. Na kiria gavana wa Mombasa Hassan Joho na muduna wa Kilifi Amason Kingi na aria makoretwo makiendekithia Gicuaini kwiyahura matane kinya. Mutongoria wa bururi akihinyiriria ni haririe kwaranĩria na atongoria othe uria uthii wa na mbere ungigacirithio bururi-ini. Miario iria yonekete gukindira murugamo wake wa kugeria kurehe atongoria othe hamwe.
Those people did not elect us to be divisive. Those people did not elect us to engage in politics. Ours is an executive role. Ours is to deliver on their aspirations. And on that, I am open to dialogue. I am open to talking, like I said, individually and collectively with each one of you to achieve those objectives, but not to engage in empty rhetoric.
Shigi utaburukia wa mahinya president ni athingatite magavana kurutithania wira na thirikari nene. Undu umwe na kumathingata kuhurana na turia neme turia tungumanagia kigina kia muingi makaunti-ini. Mieri ino ni ikiritwo ritu ni uria wari president wa Ghana John Mahama na uria kunyitanira na president Kenyatta kigomano-ini giki.
How you manage to let them hear your 5-year clock is very important as to what legacy you would leave and how fast you'll be able to implement your programs. And so that, how you do it, I leave it to all of you. But carrying them along and letting them see that, look, we're in a hurry. In 5 years, I'm going to account to the people. I need you to come along with me as a team so that in 5 years, I have something to show to our people. That's one of the major challenges you face.
Oho president ni ahuthirite kigomano giki kwaranĩria na magavana aria mathuritwo na kiama kia Jubilee na kuiguithaniria guthura gavana wa kaunti ya Kwale Salim Mvurya na muruna wa Kirinyaga anwa iguru ta muikarĩri gĩtĩ wa kanjo ya magavana na munini wake. Njukanĩrĩro iria ciumĩragia gatagatĩ ga thirikari cia kaunti na ĩrĩa nene kigucĩrĩria ritho rĩa president kuria mathingatĩte kwaranĩria nĩguo gwetha kĩhonia mbere ya gũthiĩ igoti-inĩ.
Time for mistakes is over. We might have been excused for errors in the first regime of devolved governance, but for the next 5 years, there will be no room for excuses. Let us learn from the mistakes we made. Let us not repeat them. We have no choice than to put our houses in order. Less politics, more action.
Girifotera Kameme TV. Jitagwo Mwaura Wagunya.